traumatizing. And you have this feeling inside of you and you can't get a grip of it. Your blood pressure is rising. You start shaking and trembling and perspiring. The hot flashes are coming, then the cold chills. And so this is a real problem that many of us experience upon that initial diagnosis and then after treatment for a long time, for years even. And it causes insomnia at night. It makes it hard to focus and just really hard to relax. So what are some solutions to dealing with the anxiety?
Exercise.
Exercise.
Stay in action.
A glass of wine.
But not with the Xanax.
Or if you would like to induce those effects with it, but I didn't say that. What else can help us with the anxiety?
Prayer.
Prayer. The most important thing is that we survive cancer and we put our mind in that positive mind state to self-talk ourselves to being a survivor. We can get past this. All the movie stars, what are they doing? They're wearing wigs, hair extensions, hair powders, implants. They're doing surgery just like we are, and they're doing it for vanity. They're not trying to fight for their life and be a survivor. So we're just like them, or better.
Tougher.
Yes. Yes. And so we have a funny thing happened on the way to get gasoline. This was a really, really embarrassing moment because being under chemo, you walk into a room to go get something and you're not sure why you're there, right? So you walk out. And you go, oh yeah, that's right, I've got to go get my notebook so I can make my list. So you walk out again and you do it maybe 2 and 3 times.
In our family, we refer to that as trolling from memory.
But it's so terribly exhausting. So what are some solutions to this chemo brain?
My daughter took over there.
Well, you're a very lucky woman.
Because I couldn't get it straight.
It's very difficult because you have to think and process, and anybody that helps we're grateful for. We've got to appreciate those that help us. And sometimes we want to be independent and do it on our own. And it's very humbling to have to ask for help. It's the most difficult thing to have to do. Especially when you've been independent and able to do it on your own. Maybe again you'll have a friend that's got the best breasts. They're cupcakes with gumdrop and lollipops. And again you're like, why me? Why didn't mine turn out that way? You know, or you'll meet someone in their one stage of cancer and you're going, oh my God, she's worse off than me. And it makes you feel better. Even again, it's so dysfunctional. What's wrong with us?
All of it.
Okay, so she's got a trick of the trade.
Really, my doctor said, just a little
Thank you so much for sharing.
That's great.
Your brain is working. But you're right. You don't have to suffer in silence. You've got to be a little bit brave to talk about it. And we have to share these secrets, like the extra virgin olive oil, Astroglide. The line here is, are you a survivor? You've got to think like a survivor and have that self-positive talk. And pause. What me flying keeps me crying up all the nights, 'cause my bed's a sight. Can't help going through chemo pause. When you get away from vasomotor pain, then there